today in this video I'm going to share with you an amazing remedy to get rid of suntan instantly. Plus this will also help in whitening and brightening your skin tone. So let's get started. To prepare, the first ingredient that you need is gelatin. So I'm using the non-veg gelatin. You can also use the veg ones. So gelatin is a type of protein and it is used in making of jellies or jams. Next ingredient that you need is unboiled milk. Then you need is fresh orange juice, and finally you need is honey. So let's get started with the preparation method. So first I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder. Then I'm going to add is 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice. Now the vitamin C in orange juice acts as a perfect tan removing and brightening agent. Is 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 small teaspoon of honey. Honey moisturizes, nourishes and conditions your skin. And finally I'm going to add is milk, that is around 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. So mix it well and put this mixture in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So you'll get this kind of consistency. Now if your mixture is a bit thick, then you can add more milk to it. To use, dip a face pack brush or a soft brush into this mixture and apply a thick layer to the affected areas of your body. Leave until it dries completely. So you can see the pack has dried completely. Now very carefully and gently peel it off in one direction. So once you are done with it, just wash off with ice cold water and pat dry with a soft towel. So if you compare both the hands together, you can see a tremendous difference. This looks so polished, brighter, healthy and radiant. I really love the texture and smoothness of my hand. So this removes all the tan skin, dead skin cells and any kind of dirt and impurities, and hence reveals a clear, fresh, smooth and lighter skin underneath. Now once you're done with it, just go ahead and massage some fresh aloe vera gel onto the affected area. This will hydrate, soothe and nourish your skin, and it also helps in skin brightening and whitening. Thing is that you can store this in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, and when you want to use it, just add some milk or fresh orange juice and reheat it in the microwave for about 30 seconds and then you can use it. So use this remedy to get rid of those ugly tan, dead skin cells and help reveal a clear, bright, fresh and smoother skin. So hope you all have enjoyed watching this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So thanks everyone for watching this video. Take care and bye, and I'll see you until the next video.